Hi, I'm Nick Pagano. I'm the product manager at Graco for the spray foam and polyurethane equipment, and I'm here to walk you through the final step in the process of setting up your Reactor Connect account. You may have already created your user account and created your company using the Reactor Connect website. You may have already invited other users to join your company. But in this final step, you need to assign the reactors to your company. To do that, you need to be using the latest version of the app and have access to your machine. The first step in the process is to have your machine powered on and go to the setup menus of your ADM. You do that by hitting the unlock button. That'll bring up your setup menus. From there, you want to scroll to the right one screen to go to your cellular screen. On the cellular screen, you'll see the QR code. Now you also want to have your app updated to the latest version and open. On the multi-system dashboard is where you want to add your reactors. So right now I have no reactors on my company because my screen is blank. To add a reactor, I'm going to hit the plus icon in the lower right corner and follow the on-screen instructions. It's telling you to scan the QR code. Hit the scan QR code button. Once your phone scans the QR code, it'll give you a message. Do you want to assign this reactor to your company? You say yes, assign. Now it's going to bring up a second menu. It's telling you that you need to reset the QR code on the machine and scan a second time. And this is all part of the two-step verification process. So on the ADM, click the button next to the eraser icon. It's going to give you a warning, making sure that you truly want to reset your QR code. So yes, press this button, change the QR code, hit accept. The new QR code is generated. From there, using your phone again, proceed to the next step. Scan your QR code a second time. Once it scans, it'll say success. You've now assigned this reactor to your company. You could say OK. So now your multi-system dashboard will regenerate. You'll see the machine you just assigned to your company as part of your app and on your company. You would follow these same steps for as many reactors that are in your fleet. You can add each reactor and they'll all appear on your dashboard. The benefit of creating your company and assigning reactors to your company is now all your users that you've invited to join your company has access to view the reactor data and run the reactor reports without having to personally scan each QR code. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoy the Reactor Connect tool.